Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am very excited today because we are staying, it's very sunny, we are staying at the Royal Lancaster Hotel, which is in Lancaster Gate, and it's just beautiful. Today, or this morning, it was so dark, it was so grey, it was so dreary. I think it even rained a bit this morning, but now it's the afternoon, we've just checked in and the sun has come out. It's beautiful outside and I'm so happy because we are staying in the Park Suites, which, as the name would suggest, basically means we have an incredible view over Hyde Park. And let me show you the view. Look at that. Hyde Park, how beautiful. I feel like if it wasn't such a nice day that like we'd almost miss out a little bit, but yeah, the sun has come out and it looks absolutely beautiful. So I'm gonna take off my coat and show you a room tour. Okay, so room tour time. I'm going to show you as we would walk in. So here is what you see as soon as you come in. We've got a table here with some goodies that have been left out for us. It's literally like windows the whole way through. There's even a desk area, which I think is quite nice, particularly if you're here for long and you're working. Then this is the seating area, I suppose, sort of like the lounge, living room area. Really nice TV over here. And I believe this door here leads to the adjacent rooms. So if you've got a big family, you could stay in both, which is great, like join them together. This is one of the views from the sides. I feel like this looks Parisian, like it looks so nice. And then onto the other side, this is where you get the park view. So this is the Italian Gardens in Hyde Park, but honestly, you can see so much. I think we're gonna have a really beautiful sunset today as well. So I definitely don't want to miss that. But yeah, I'm gonna try and find the London Eye. Can you see? Oh, not really, but the London Eye is like down there. You can see it better from the room. Gosh, I thought you'd see me here, but it's so sunny. You literally cannot see much. And then in through here, luggage is there for now. In through here, we have the bathroom. It's a really beautiful sized bathroom as well. Double sinks, it's got a bathtub as well as a really large shower too. It's so nice. And once again here, the incredible view, probably an even better view from the bathroom. Like how nice is that, sitting in the bathtub with such a gorgeous view. And then here, same thing, little mirrors, great for a selfie. And then the view of Hyde Park, so nice. And toiletries, they have White Company toiletries, which is very, very nice. Another mirror here, it's a bit of a full length. This is my outfit, by the way, super casual. I showed you that in such unflattering light, but yeah, I'm just wearing one of the And Other Stories mock neck sweaters, Monaco Vinegar bracelet. My jeans are the ASOS Farley jeans, these are my favorite. And then I just have my black Converse on, so quite a casual look, but just for check-in. And then here we have the bedroom, so significantly smaller than the living room, but still an incredible size. And bearing in mind you've got all of that, it's amazing. Literally windows all the way around. So once again, like, how does this not scream Paris? It's so nice. And then yeah, just views. And then the park once again here, really beautiful. And here I'm trying to find where I can show you the London Eye in like the best possible way, and I think it's from here. Oh yeah, it's right there. I'm like looking for it myself and then I can't find it. Can you see it? There. There's the London Eye, there's the Shard, the walkie-talkie. So yeah, incredible. I mean, I've said already, but we have just been, ooh, step back into the light. We have just been so lucky that the sun is shining, like such a beautiful day. So happy. Got changed as we're going out for dinner. I'm wearing this new blazer from New Look. It's very similar to the black one I have and wear all the time. Just a plain black crew neck top. This one's from St. Sophia. And then faux leather leggings and my Converse, keeping those the same. I guess it's like a smart casual outfit for the evening. I haven't yet shown you the outside now that it's dark, but before I do that, I'm going to remove my makeup. I actually got a new manicure, I haven't said yet. It's like little hearts for Valentine's Day. Anyway, yeah, so gonna remove my makeup. Thought I would also show you what I packed in my travel bag, because it's been a long while since I last used my travel bag, but of course. Okay, so micellar water, step number 1, because I mean, I just need that to remove my makeup. Then what else am I going to use today? I will use Peexo's Glow Tonic. My lip balm as well. This is Dr. Lips Nipple Balm. Fantastic. I've got a very, very mini Clinique Take the Day Off balm cleanser. Oh, it's not focusing. There we go. Clinique Mini. Love that. What else? I'm also going to use... here we go. This I'm going to use as my second cleanse. And then also, how cute is this mini Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate? I think it's literally just enough for like 1 or 2 uses, but perfect for an overnight stay like this. I currently have my camera at the most unflattering angle ever. It kind of cuts me off a little bit, but hopefully that's okay. I'm gonna do my evening skincare. Actually have to remove my rings first. It seems like this is becoming slight tradition. I mean, I've done it once and I'm calling it tradition, but I just have minis with me and like different products and stuff, so thought it would be nice. I feel like I've not shared like that much in this vlog anyway, so yeah. Starting with Nivea Double Effect Eye Makeup Remover. My fave at removing my eye makeup, my mascara. I only got mascara on, but because it's waterproof, it's quite stubborn basically, so I usually need something that's oil based like this one is to remove. Then I have the cutest mini Clinique Take the Day Off balm. I've not used this in such a long time. I'm actually excited to use it again. One of my faves. So just using this to remove my makeup like so. I love a balm cleanser to remove makeup. Do I say this every time? Probably, but I just think they're really great. And also I've been using the I think it's called like Refi or Refi on my eyebrows, and that always requires like a little more like vigorous rubbing, I suppose, to make sure that that all gets out and it doesn't leave my brows too sticky. So a balm cleanser is really great at making sure that's all been removed. Next up, for my second cleanse, I'm going to use the Comforting Makeup Remover Milk. I'm going to use this as my second cleanse. It's from Lancome, by the way. This is just a much more like milky consistency, which is what I particularly like for a second cleanse. Just something to make sure all of my makeup is off, and then something usually a bit more milky to feel quite hydrating. I've not used this in ages, but it's really like quite perfumed, which I feel like I didn't remember. Like, it's quite fragranced, but it's quite nice. The rest of my skincare is very simple. I've got a mini Peexo Glow Tonic, mini Kiehl's Midnight Recovery. I said maybe I'd only use this on once one day, but I actually think it would last like a full weekend, because you don't obviously need to use it all. I'm just using one pump. And then night cream, Omorovicka night cream.
I wash it, you wash it.
I wonder where tomorrow I wonder.
Why were you scared?
I don't know. I thought someone was either jumping through the window or that you were going to break that. I think more.
How did your brain think too quick?
I thought more that you were going to break that, I think. Let's brush our teeth. I know, these days I'm like gasping.
The best one was earlier.
I can't believe you didn't get it. In a turn of events, it's currently 11:15 and we were both ready for bed, like doing the putting the blinds down and so on, but there was this light that kept flickering. But we sort of, I don't know, we just did nothing of it. But then it basically started to smell like burning, like something electrical was not quite right. So I had to call the front desk. And they obviously didn't have like an electrician here at this time. So security came up, and then someone else came up, and then we're changing rooms. Good morning everyone, from a slightly different room. I didn't end up vlogging last night, but basically we had a bit of an issue with the room that we were staying in, like something electrical basically, and this was at like 11:30 p.m. and I had to like call the front desk and be like, hi, we've got a bit of an issue here in the room, like can you please like come up? And yeah, they did. And because they didn't have like an electrician person on site at that time, the security was basically like, I think the best thing to do is to put you in another room for the night. And obviously, yeah, we were like, okay, that's fine. And then they didn't have like similar view rooms, so we ended up being upgraded, so we are now in the Lancaster suite. I was gonna give you like a bit of a tour last night and so on, but in the end I just didn't. I can't lie, I was like a little bit stressed last night actually, because I think a mix of like staying away from home and then sort of having that little issue just made me feel a little bit on edge. So yeah, I didn't pick up my camera, but obviously picking it up now, I thought I would just finish things off for you and continue. And now I guess I get to give you 2 room tours in one vlog, which is very exciting. So we're staying at the Lancaster suite now, which is essentially on the opposite side of the building compared to the last room we were in, and much higher as well. So the view is pretty epic, and I'll show you. So this is just from the bedroom. Also, how lucky are we to have another like quite beautiful day? Not so sunny as yesterday, although it may still get sunny, but still so lovely. But yeah, this is like a different side of London, I suppose, whereas before we were on the opposite side. But just appreciate and love London so much. I just did my makeup for a reel, but my mascara today has absolutely not cooperated. I feel like all of my eyelashes are falling off. But anyway, in the meantime, breakfast has arrived, so we are going to eat breakfast. As promised, time for a room tour. We are in the Lancaster suite, but do bear in mind that obviously we've slept here, we've had breakfast, we're basically almost checking out, so it's not in like pristine condition as it was when we came in, so just bear that in mind. But anyway, as I think I've already mentioned, we're on the opposite side of the hotel. So behind me there's like the London Eye, the Shard, the walkie-talkie, the BT Tower, and Hyde Park is like that way, so we don't really have like the best view of the park, whereas the other hotel room that we were staying in was called I believe they're called like the Park View Suites, so you have a view of the park, and here it's more like of London City, I suppose. So I will spin you around and show you. So here we have the views of London, beautiful. It literally makes me so happy. It's so nice. But not too dissimilar to the previous room. We first have the lounge area here, big TV as well, and just a very similar lounge area to previously. More just like windows absolutely everywhere, and then a little station here with like coffee, etc. Here's our table where obviously we had breakfast, so we've still got some bits there, and the laptop for some work. That was our little breakfast cart, so ignore that. A little desk area here once again, so really similar to the previous room. Where you'll notice the most differences through to the corridor, so we've got 2 separate bathrooms. This is, well, the toilet, so this one just has 1 toilet and a tiny sink, but this one is kind of connected to the living room, whereas the second one is in, I suppose technically like an ensuite, so it's got a door, that's bathroom number 1, door into the bedroom and the bathroom. So we've got another gorgeous marble bathroom in here, really stunning. Bathtub once again, views of London, beautiful. Big set of double mirrors this time, and double sink, a really large shower as well, and probably echoing quite a bit in here. But yeah, another really, really lovely bathroom. I love a nice bathroom. I think that's like my favorite thing about hotels are the bathrooms. And then from the bathroom, we move into the room. This one is much bigger than our previous one, like way bigger. But same like double bed, obviously, yes, we've slept in it, so ignore that. But yeah, incredible views once again of London. TV again, a little desk or like makeup area here, I suppose. And then yeah, this was sort of, to this side would be more the view of Hyde Park that we had, because you can see the Italian gardens there. But yeah, just beautiful, really beautiful. Little seating area, and then a huge wardrobe as well, so just a really special room. Well, I'm actually really thankful that we got to stay in 2 different rooms at the Lancaster Hotel. I feel like that was really kind of like unlucky but lucky at the same time. So yeah, really, really nice to be waking up in London in this gorgeous hotel. Also, if you are interested in what I'm wearing, it's quite boring, let me warn you. So I've got on just a black basic top from Saint and Sophia, and then my ASOS Farley jeans, which I absolutely love, and because we've not left yet, still got hotel slippers on. I love hotel slippers, but later I'm just gonna pop on my Converse, my black Converse. Boring outfits, but just nice. Also, closer look at my manicure today. It's like the heart tips, cute for Valentine's Day. I also got like every single heart-shaped ring that I had. Super cute. It's from London Grace, by the way. London Grace is one of my fave places to go if I want any sort of like subtle nail art like this. I just think they do it so well. I was unsure as to whether to finish my vlog here this morning or to like continue for the rest of the day, but realistically I'm probably not going to vlog anymore, so I think I will end my vlog checking out of the Royal Lancaster Hotel. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I feel like it was a little bit different, but I thought, seeing as I'm doing something different, I don't usually like stay at hotels and things that much anymore, but yeah, I thought it might make a nice little vlog video for you guys to watch. So I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you would like to see some more vlogs from me in the future as well, and a very big thank you for watching. Checking out of the Royal Lancaster, we had a really nice overnight. Checking out of the Royal Lancaster, we had a really, really nice stay.